Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to problems in the first paper of the 2014 JEE Advanced Physics question paper. I'll be following questions as they fall in code 1, but in any other code, the questions will just be shuffled up so you can match them for yourselves. Let's look at problem 5. We are given E1, E2 and E3 are the electric fields at a distance r from a point charge q, long wire of linear charge density lambda, and a plane with uniform charge density sigma. So we know the formulas for all three. E1 will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r squared. E2 is 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught lambda by r. And E3 is a constant sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So let's look at the options A, B, C and D. A says q is equal to 4 pi r naught squared. Now these are equal at r naught. So if you equate the first and two, you can see that 4 pi and 2 pi will leave a remainder of 2. Epsilon naught will cancel. We need it between q and sigma. Right, so we'll have to equate the first and the third. If we need it between q and lambda, we would equate between the first and second, but q and sigma we need to equate between the first and the third. So a factor of 2 epsilon naught will cancel out and q will be 2 pi r squared, right, into sigma, not 4 pi r squared into sigma. So A is false. B says r naught is equal to lambda by 2 pi sigma. It's lambda and sigma. We equate these two. We can see that a factor of 2 will cancel directly. So there is no factor of 2. So B is also false. For C, E1 r naught by 2 is equal to 2 E2 r naught by 2. Let's see, what is E1 r naught by 2? We put r naught by 2 whole squared here. So it will be 4 times 4 pi epsilon naught q by r naught squared. And they are saying this is equal to 2 times E2 of r naught by 2. Put r naught by 2 here. So 2 lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught r. Now if we take this 2 outside, then we can see that this whole thing inside the bracket is the same as this whole thing. Right, because they are the same at r naught. Both of them are multiplied by 4. So again it will give us the same thing. So C will indeed be true. And for D, we are given E2 of r naught by 2. That is 2 lambda by 2 pi epsilon naught r. And on the other side, we are given 4 times E3 of r naught by 2. But E3 is a constant, sigma by 2 epsilon naught. And we know this thing is equal to this whole thing. So 2 and 4 are not the same. So these will not be true. So this is false. Which means the answer to the fifth question is going to be C.